Hey everyone, Eric Goins from Automate Intelligently. Today I'm going to start making a series of tutorials for a property rental agency app. We're going to do a bunch of very different and cool things in Adalo. I'm going to break each of these videos out into very specific components of what we're doing. The overall idea is I need to make this for a friend of mine and for myself. So I'm going to make it for all of you and let you follow along and see kind of how I would build this from scratch to a finished product online. Some of the things I can't show you just because they're confidential, but you'll get the gist of how to build an entire app for a property rental agency from start to finish. So with that said, let's talk about the objectives of the app before we even get started. So first is a tenant or a renter should be able to log into this and see what property they're renting. They should be able to see their previous payments, when those payments were made, how they were made, receipts for payments. They should be able to see their current balance, any upcoming payments. They should be able to file issues or repairs required for the property, as well as see information about their lease. And I think that's probably it for the tenants. We might come up with more things later. On the flip side, as a property agency, we should be able to see all of the properties that we have. We should be able to see what's rented or a status for each of them, what they're renting for, the status for the tenants. Are they current? Are they not current? What does our cash flow look like? What do we expect it to look like? And then a list of repairs and a status for those repairs. So to get started, we're going to start this with a web app. I almost always start with a web app for something like this because it'll really make the mobile app easier, I think. And it's easier for you to follow along because you have a bigger screen. So let's open this. We're just going to start with a blank app here. And we're just going to call it rental. And we're going to keep the colors. I'll change all of that myself later. Okay, so Adalo has now started this for us. And they have given us a welcome screen. They've given us a login and a sign up and a home screen. So you can see that in order to get from this welcome screen where you will start in this process, you can see this here, welcome screen. If the user is not logged in, they will start there. In order to get from here to here, you either have to sign up or log in, okay? So in the next video, I'm gonna show you how we will set up our collections for this and how that will impact all of these screens. Cheers and see you in the next video.